What's up, everybody? Today we're gonna take a look at this bad boy that just arrived. It's a Google Pixel 9a. Came in with this box, which feels... I already ripped off these two parts. Sorry, guys, for the ASMR fans. So it says it includes a charging cable, requires a Google account, internet, or paid subscription for some features. Some features may not be available in all areas. cg.co/pixel/specs for info. Requires a 5G data plan, not compatible with 5G millimeter wave. Availability of 5G and other mobile services may vary. Contact operator for details. Looks like that might be the Italian, the European, of course, version. If I remember right, 5G millimeter wave is in the US. It's 6.3 inches, 120 gigabytes. What is 160 millimeters? I guess it's the size of the screen. 5G sub 6 porcelain. Yes, that's the one I like. Porcelain, although it was called in a different way. So okay. So anyways, this is the you have this part that you just like rip off. Not really a big fan of it because also some sticky part gets stuck into your fingers. So ew, not really cool, but okay, fine. It's not nearly as expensive as an iPhone, so fine, Google, fine. I'll just leave this here for fun, and maybe you can hear this ASMR. Okay, and what the reason why I left my Apple keyboard, maybe I should have brought in my Apple keypad, is that it does feel like it's talking a little bit of the same language. They're definitely getting inspiration from that white. A lot of this white again. Oh, and it's interesting. There is a SIM compartment. Actually, I actually needed this, so it's good. So I can put this back in here, I guess. Pretty annoying, these two stickers. I don't even know what. I guess there was some kind of like. Oh, this is the phone wrapped in this. Is it a plastic? Is it? No, it's kind of like a transparent see-through paper. We'll open this up in a second. You got the SIM card opener. I still do have one branded Nokia. They have no branding. Should totally add some branding on the SIM because it's something you actually get to see quite often. Energy B, interesting. Interesting durability test. I've actually never seen this kind of card, so that's pretty interesting. Durability test. It's an A, can be repaired, kind of like a B. IP68. I guess that's how. Pretty interesting, actually. We're not gonna read this. We're just gonna maybe take a quick look. Just all the like legal stuff, pretty quick. Okay, yeah, they're just giving the cable, no charger. These cables are actually always quite useful, so that's fine. I'll take it. Maybe I'll hear some. Oh yeah, some ASMR. Okay. Okay, that's the cable. Feels nice. And now we'll go to the main part. So the actual Google phone. Let me ASMR this. Feels really nice. Feels really nice. Feels very much like the iPhone I'm just shooting this video from. So I have to say I'm happy. I'm definitely very happy. I think I'm gonna try to turn it on. It looks so much like an iPhone. I'm sorry, guys. Like even this part, that's like, this is not taking inspiration. This is very much very much copying. The buttons as well are looking exactly the same. I think I'll want to shoot a video at some point with how much it looks similar. This port, what is this port about? Is it a speaker? But it feels like so much water could come in from there. Let's see if they give it to us with some battery. I'm not even sure if that's the button. There's this volume up and down. Okay, something vibrated. There we go, it's the big G. There you go. I removed some stuff for my OCD friends, and it's starting. It's a little bit too small of a little G. I was expecting a bigger one. And I fixed my phone on the little like monitor that I have. So that if I move the desk, there should be no issues, but I still see. So welcome to your new Pixel. Okay, little setup using another device. I can actually skip this one. Text is way too small here, by the way. Really nice. Let me put the. I love the keyboard. Honestly, it's really nice. Obtaining IP address, getting your phone ready. This may take a few minutes. Let's see. It's minute 7:12. Let's see how long it's gonna take. Honestly, I have to say I looked at the Google Flip Pixel, flip phone. What do you call it? For myself. This child thing at the beginning is actually quite useful, I have to say. I haven't tried it yet, but I really do want to. Keyboard feels really nice. I like the haptic feedback on it. It's extremely accurate. Huh. Give me just 1 second. Okay, actually, I think we're gonna. So I think I might stop the video right here. Just comment this time on the hardware. We're gonna take a look at the software another time because I left my phone in the car. This is of course the lower end. I really like the feeling, although there's something missing compared to, let's say, iOS, well, iPhone really, because we're just talking about the hardware at this point. I want to try to see how the SIM card tray works, if it works well or not. Opened up pretty well, felt like a little too tight. And there you go. Okay, I hear there's space both for a SIM card. Oh, just for a SIM card. Okay. It's got the little address of where Google is. 1600 Amphitheater, Mountain View, California. 94043, USA. Been there quite a few times. Yeah, this is interesting. I want to understand, like, is this for an SD card or what is it for? Is it supposed to be empty like that? This part I'm almost like concerned about it. Oh no, actually, what am I talking about? This is obviously SIM card tray. That's why there's the hole. And this is just like, I guess, just a speaker. Yeah, it's just a speaker. So, okay. Of course, a USB-C. It's for a phone that kind of looks like an iPhone and that kind of feels like a cheap iPhone. It doesn't feel too cheap, so it feels okay. Of course, I look forward to put it to use as from a software perspective. Hardware-wise, it's okay. Like, I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty satisfied. I'm not mind blown. I'm obviously missing my iPhone 15 Max Pro. I look forward to use some other camera to record the video of the two, one next to the other, and then I'll do another video about the software and just see what happens. Okay, there's iPhone materials do feel more premium, just because like, it feels like that aluminum that when you touch it, it feels fresh, and that's really nice. This part as well, I feel like it's gonna get like easily dirty. I need a cover for this. So I don't know if you can see the smudges, probably not yet. But yeah, it's happening. So cool. Anyways, this is the unboxing of the Google Pixel 9a. Thank you for watching.